Hey everybody, this is Gina here at the library. We wanted to let you know that we are going to start story time again in September. We will start filming just like we did all during the summer, and it will begin on September 8th at 10:30, and you can watch it live on Facebook. And if you come in and do it when we do it live, you can pop in and put your name into the chat box and we will have conversations with you. But we are also going to do something for you. We have missed having a craft with you, so we have made craft bags for you that you can pick up here at the library at the Children's Reference Desk. And you can pick up all of the crafts for the entire month of September at the Children's Reference Desk. Let me kind of show you what we're doing. If you look behind me, we have ABCs and 1, 2, 3s, and we are going to do the letter B, which is yellow up there. And some of the crafts that we are doing are, here's berries. You get to make berries like this. And you also get to make some boats just like this. And you also get to make a box with Jack from Jack and the Beanstalk. There we go. There's our Jack right there. And you get to make bubble ones. And they all start with the letter B. So you can come and pick those up on the 1st of September, and you can pick them up for the entire month along with our coloring pages so that you can do the crafts at home with us. Also, we are going to make some videos for Toddler Time. We aren't going to read stories, but we will have different videos that we will leave up on Facebook and on the Storytime blog so that you can go and do those videos all the time. So we'll do shakers one time, we'll do scarves another time, we'll do sticks another time, and then we'll just do fun songs for you another time. So watch for those too. And then on Wednesdays, starting on, that would be September 9th, at 9:45, we will start Book Babies again. And that one will be normal like what we did before, but if you're a toddler, you can watch that too. Or if you're older and you have a baby that you want to sing along with, you can do that too. Anyway, so we look forward to seeing you, and let's see if I got everything right. Yes, I think I got all of it. And Lauren's back behind there. Do you want to say hi, Lauren?
Hey guys.
Yeah, she's filming. So anyway, we will see you later in September.